Technology is a big deal in India and it has ensured a lot of positive changes in the country. Technology has brought a lot of opportunities into India and many Indians have quickly keyed into its offers to build wealth for themselves. One very popular internet platform in India is YouTube, and while it is just an entertaining platform for many, some have identified the gold therein and are utilizing it to earn a lot of money monthly. These people started with nothing, no views, no subscribing, but were able to grow impressively. In fact, apart from being very wealthy as a result of what they earn from their YouTube channels, some of them have also become well-known celebrity in the country. Bhuvan Bam is the richest YouTuber in India as things stand now, and through his channel, BBK Vines, has been able to grow to the extent of making over $120K each month. His channel is all about adult comedy as well as drama, and it is surprising to add that he started only a few years back. For a channel that has been able to amass up to 14 million subscribers, you should know that there must be something special and exciting about it. Vidya Iyer is the second richest Indian YouTuber, and she has her channel, Vidya Vox, to thank for that. She makes between $90K to $180K with the channel that deals with music videos. They make music in several languages and cultures and now have up to 6 million followers from different parts of India, Pakistan and the United States of America. Nisha makes between $90K to $165.3K each month. The channel is one where she gives her viewers tutorials on cooking various foods in Hindi. The channel, which she started from scratch. Right now, she have over 7 million subscribers and followers who watch her videos from different parts of India and Pakistan. Next on the list is Sanam Puri. Sanam is an Indian YouTube channel that makes between $85K to $175.7K each month, as they have over 6 million subscribers who watch their music videos from different parts of India, Pakistan, the United States of America, and the United Kingdom. The channel is owned by a music band that is known as Sanam Puri. They were able to quickly spot the gold that is on YouTube, and they began promoting themselves on the platform. Right now, they make a lot of money from YouTube alone. The next person on the list is Gaurav Chaudhary. Actually, he is regarded as the 5th richest Indian YouTuber and he has been placed on the 5th spot of the list. He has his channel Technical Guruji to thank, as he now earns up to $180K per month from the channel. With Technical Guruji, YouTubers can learn different things that have to do with technology with these. Ranjit Kumar is the 6th person on the list, being the 6th richest YouTuber in India. He started Geeky Ranjit from the scratch and was able to grow it to become pretty big and huge. Now makes between $15K to $32.3K each month. The channel is a technology-focused one that is about mobile phone unboxing, gadget unboxing, and stuffs like that. But for a new device come into the market, you should find it being reviewed already on this channel. Sanjay Thumma is the next on the list. Vachaf Vah Reh Vah is a popular Indian YouTube channel that earns up to $5K to $28.9K each month by teaching its over 1 million followers how to prepare cool meals. Owned by Sanjay Thumma, the exciting food channel gives a lesson of cooking restaurant-style food at one's own kitchen and has tons of viewers from India, Pakistan, Bangladesh and the United States of America. Sahil Khattar is an Indian YouTuber who has been able to creatively get himself into the list of top 10 richest in the country, which reportedly gives him a monthly income that is between $1.7K to $27.1K. The channel is a well-known cultural review one that started low, but now has over 1 million subscribers from different parts of India. In fact, the videos are not watched in India alone, but even in faraway the USA. The ninth on the list is Shruti Arjun Anand, and she sits on the ninth spot on the list as a result of the success of her YouTube channel, Shruti Arjun Anand, which reportedly earns between $3K to $23.7K each month. The ninth on the list is Shruti Arjun Anand, and she sits on the ninth spot on the list as a result of the success of her YouTube channel, Shruti Arjun Anand, which reportedly earns between $3K to $23.7K each month. We are rounding up the list with Abhishek Bhatnagar, the 10th guy on the list of top 10 richest in India. He reportedly earns between $2K to $16.6K each month via his gadget-to-use YouTube channel. He enlightens his viewers about several things that concern mobile phones, gadgets, and related stuff. He is pretty passionate that he also attends events of mobile phone launchings in the country. That's all for this video. If you like this, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the startup.